American Hairlines offers the ultimate solution in non-surgical hair replacement for men and women. I'm talking exceptional comfort and the most natural looking appearance. This is because American Hairlines takes great pride in using only the finest quality materials available. Established in 1979, American Hairlines has over 40 years of experience when it comes to style, quality, and innovation. And we're still exploring new techniques and expanding our product line so we can always bring you the very latest technologies and modern designs. This is why I am so excited to tell you about our newest systems. For women, Eve and Eve Lace. For men, Caliber and Caliber Lace. They're like sibling systems made with the same advanced materials and design techniques. So, you're probably asking, how are these different than current American Hairline systems? See this base area? It's called fine welded mono lace and it bonds beautifully, and without the risk of damage that you might experience with a more delicate lace base. Fine welded mono lace allows for superior adhesion and durability. Caliber and Caliber Lace have an 8 by 10 inch base with 4 to 6 inches in length of hair. Eve and Eve Lace are smaller at 6.5 by 6 3/4 with longer hair at 14 inches. Another important feature is the perimeter. It's made with polyurethane and gauze that allow for any kind of bonding method you prefer, or you can just trim it away and have an all lace system. So what makes this construction so special? These systems are incredibly versatile. They're ready to tape, clip, perimeter, and full head bond. Plus, they are more than able, customizable, comfortable, fashionable, believable, and available to ship now. Versatile attachment options make this system ideal for so many clients, including those who may want to first experience daily wear with clips or tape before committing to bonding. So, why did we create a lace front version of both styles? Some people prefer the look of a lace front system. Some people prefer a polyurethane front. To ensure your success, American Hairlines has an option for every need and every want when it comes to hair. If you're new to non-surgical hair replacement or want to develop your skills, American Hairlines offers certification workshops with hands-on participation and individual guidance that takes you through our entire lineup of amazing products. Workshops are offered throughout the year in our Kansas headquarters, virtually and in small group settings customized to your business. Give American Hairlines a call today to learn more about our education program and our newest systems, Eve, Eve Lace, Caliber, and Caliber Lace. With American Hairlines, you and your clients will know no boundaries.